Imagine your IT infrastructure running flawlessly without unexpected hiccups. Exxact SmartHands services make this a reality, ensuring seamless operations and deployment. Our refined SOPs and SLAs maximize hardware performance, allowing you to focus on innovation. With SmartHands services, you can minimize unplanned work, reduce downtime, and accelerate the deployment and scalability of your infrastructure so you can maximize ROI and are always ready for the next big leap. We offer a range of services, including infrastructure services, to ensure optimal operations, installation and configuration for on-site installation, hardware repair and replacement, and firmware updates, integration and infrastructure that includes cable management, quality assurance, and testing for reliable performance, and ongoing support to keep your systems running at peak performance. Whether you need infrastructure management, technical support, or on-premises services, Exxact SmartHands services act as an extension of your team, delivering excellence every time. Ready to strengthen your IT infrastructure, reduce operational costs, and drive innovation? Contact us today to learn more and engage with our experts.